Yeah, the figure so calculate amount so say check it, we check it yes wa. Wo the enemy is the enu pepepe o si debi. Is the be kan asem no na no fom ye. Enti na no fom no na mafa. Ewe hin. Ewe. Ewe hin. Hin fa ne wo. Obi kasa. Was 1 + 1 is equal to ye nyem say 2. And na no fom ye no okoka 4. And okoka 4. And was manual from 1 + 1 no enye 4 2. Was 4 na di kan no me de court. And no so no akogina wo court. Ye kwai so paper ye da ma me anum so 1 + 1 is equal to 2. And if out the bra uni bi na mo na mototo ayampia and na Supreme Court I say and almost yes they want to incite their people say ye ba ye court to krana court no nye and it's court to nye ma NDC for nko na 2024 ye beto aba na wi ye be kai go be lusu na se mo be ka se mo lusu mo ntia ase na se bi mo be jimiti se de mo ye 2020 na ye de mo nyina be fertilizer. I'm telling you enti mo be tena ho na nka de besi no na mo ye be ma chen obi ma de besi nsi before de besi na Asiedu Nketia be kwa kwasesa wo mani nyina fi Canada e do ma be gu Ghana Mahama Dubai no ye be twom mani nyina be gum no ma be lead na de besi asi ye ntena ase ma munti mo selfish interest nti innocent blood be emehwe mu ti say dey see watachima no young guy what you say akasa you are beneficial to your family. You go and follow this national destroyers congress akwahwe de wonkwa ukoye no bisa maame man sama imbe bisa maame sa ukoye no ndisi ni bia betokoko amane da enso anye bia what you say e wo hanka maame timi suma ma akotokoko ye nka ebusuafo ya but ye ka e dia yensa na ho say mo bi bia nkokon emma political party bia menyi twinni adoa abato no is supposed to be free and fair and this if one register omo register o secret na me dey ba no and this if one are asking people to register in their large numbers no ma betena radio so and I will not be stubborn academy no omo register no I catch us say don't go and do it. You see how the NDC sees and recognize the ordinary Ghanaian. Or no, Sam George now, Jimmy for Sam George, Jina was a stubborn academy member of parliament. Say, Yanko register card in I register was a stubborn academy. Or no, register share, or register the year in the money now. No, I catch the say we NDC needs to be Jimmy for. Enti quiet now we didn't now quiet e buy and once Sam George na nanim ton say wa register one card so de ne de ne ya enye so fe de wahu Jimmy so wahu Jimmy or see wa call register one card and so de ye no enye ye wo iPhone so and so catch you say don't go and do it or register mane or register what no jina holo ni e stubborn academy na wafa o sabi Jimmy time an incident see ye no ka asem bi na uta na chi afa ye badwen fa dwen o say ni family hu hia no chai anything in Ghana come chiro Sam George o see na busua na yere ne ma hu hia no chai anything in Ghana nti ono no o mewu nya na yere ne ma ho wa hu say o ye stubborn academy ama ne baby ka ho. This is how the NDC sees the ordinary Ghanaian. Say Jimmy for omo do omo ma hye dem Ofosu Ampofo ebe fa ne ma hye dem afa bodyguards aka ho no aka kire nkrofo say mon kwacheche nkrofo ma even mun ku omo electoral commission mun control ki cancel ma mfreni ma sem mu so and that is what we are seeing. Now I don't know why I would default to say mujano look at how he talks so kasana ni we mu nyina Pentecost for mo ye na eda we Oba said the tape has been doctored. Bring the original and also help their own farmer. With this way, you want them to lead the country. And this is for mo nyame manche obia o. Mo ye kase entokwa ye di nyansa na ekun mo so mo laki nyansa. Enti already ni abu mo awie. Me se ntokwa enya hoode ne ye de kon too much sa. Wo ahoode ni wagimi a nyansa ni di na hoode ketekete wo de bebo. And tokana mo frefre. The war drum you guys are beating. You have to be careful because mo biti na ekoye de na ebinumu tisi doma you regret. I'm telling you. Mu be mu ho 11 any sa say bi mu jimi sam na mo ne nam na de besi what will happen mu timi nye foko ye ba beto aba Jamaica ka say obeye new register voters register mo ka so oya de besi oye what did you do ma you only talk fool kwa mo kasa kwa what did you do mutimi nye foko me catch every Ghanaian so be register bibia si ye security military omu nimnyansa manwema they will not allow that kukuku 70 BM in Ghana. We have gone past that far. And this will be now. This is what they did in 2008. And that way they say, and the people say, no questioning them, and people didn't vote. People didn't vote. That is what Mufa Quatrequa Enyayen. This time it will not work. This time it will not work. This time it will not work. What it? Obia anko register. There's obia ye bia nye. Na ebre no so a obia anko to na aba. Nobody will be disenfranchised. Obia no a ye besi no kwan se mo onto aba. Obia beto na aba. Ye kenkan wie na Ghana fo se omupe a omupe B. Na pass ye bema ho kwan se obi se Ghana fo so omupe A onu ye B enti won pene no and no. And no. And a wa obesi dwom se won pene no ye no wo matter. Ekwa na be hu Ghana military omo thinking. Se won pene a ube hu Ghana military omo thinking. Be bo ka kirawo fa hu nkwagim minua ukoto aba wi a wakọ akoda. What it? Oto aba wi a din eventually aba na cha 2-3 days count ye be bodo wi ni ye wo ha only say me to ma aba wi a ma ko wura dem mu ye count to anya masem because ye kan wo ho no MPP and this will be our agent enti nye gudugudu amoba be ye no na be man number na sesa. Nothing will change there. Timimi we are no makoda because sa me district na ya to aba no sa vote no kwa will not determine who wins. What I say? Timi to ma ba we are unhu me kura around. Ko bra me dem eventually 1-2 days the wedding kunim beba. The wedding kunim beba. And the why mu ko ye gidigidi wo ha me abo kwa. Me nye sa ankwase ade no da. Me nye sa ankwase ade no da. Say ato aba wie me kokko hu. Ade magimi. Anya bia mpapa na ekodi president no. Obi papa ekoye MP. Ama nipa no so onam fom a afedi onam police bedi na chi no. Na wo do nkwa akoto wo de ama no. You are a fool. Enye bida. Enye bida. Otu aba wie a hwim ko. Kope ba bida. Ye wie. Ye di besi ha. Aha ye fie ni fie TV. Me pa cho. Oba no a share e de amaye. Wonya follow ye so a na wa follow e de amaye na da ni da ye ba life a. Watimi any abechire adwin. One of these days ye ba life a ye the WhatsApp number no betu dwa na amanfo afre esim. Na ya hwe de ekọ ewo district mpotamu bia ko factories ekọ so no they are there people are seeing anya bia mitimi pie koto ekunfi pineapple juice entu be ka tem so wanya hwe a it tells say you a liar mo ba ye mo ka mo factory amusi ye ne nkoto bi no factory ba ko amusi ye no say ye de ye no mo de adi edware o de adi ye no mo ka ne nkoto bi ne nka se lebu NDC fo na de ba ye Mammofo. Oni adofo nyame enhira no nya okese o mo ho ban wonyu mfiri abonsamfo party in